Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Discord. We go to Discord app. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Discord app and we click. Here in this page of app info we will click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Discord app. Then you can update your app if you find the update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.